We have chicken. Isn't it drumsticks? Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Guys, we are going to the rooftop. Here we are. Oh my god, it's sunset. That's my outfit for the kitchen. Hi, we are at the beach.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence.
Niliona hizo memes. Ni videos watu wanafanya. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Sunday and I'm here with Sharon. So we are we are going to the beach. Today is Sunday, so it was raining kuanzia morning, but now there's sun. The sun is out, so we are going to the beach. We are going to Nyali Beach to just have fun and prepare for next week. Yeah, so let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. That's my outfit for the beach. Me and my Sharon.
Yes, here.
Yeah, pia amevaa kaskat. Hebu tukuone. Eish.
This piece is from Mutumba. This one is from Justice Token. This one from Casey's Closet.
And the hair is from Kimala.
My salon is no. And I have a bikini.
Inside.
You will see that later in the day.
Where? Guys, I'm ready for the ass.
This the kaban, this Louis Vuitton bag.
Do.
Kwa a random shop.
Okay. Okay.
A designer shop.
Haukuwa umesisitiza.
Sikuwa nimewashow.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes.
Hey guys,
Hi, we are at the beach.
tunapiga upepo wa bahari. Ama inaitwaje?
Kupunga.
Ndio hiyo.
Tunaupunga.
Haswa dada.
Wacha karibu.
You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
I want to be so outside, but I cannot even.
Well, it's nice.
It's night in Isnade. Sorry, I don't. Achata mimi.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite.
It's need. Nakwambia,
You know I'm
the water, guys. Woo! Lakini mtu achunge simu. Chunga simu da.
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movies.
So sijui tutaenda pale tena tuweke timer tu.
I know the look on your face. Bad man bad every day. Know your name.
Leta yo. Guys,
Claps. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, if you give me something, baby, if you run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna bleed. And my body,
Morning, guys. Today's another new day that the Lord has made. We are in a good mood today. I've done my skincare. I'm feeling fresh. Yeah, now I want to have breakfast, and then later on I'm going to make guacamole. I'm going to make guac so I can eat with some I have these crackles. So I'm going to have these crackles. So I'm going to like eat the guac with the crackles. Just come a snack to see it for anything. So yeah, I'm still sleepy, guys. I don't know why. Napenda tu kulala. Just a thing, guys.
Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel right. It's in me, I feel right. It's in me, the way that.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Come on, we just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way, you know, one long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. Sorry for way less friend. I got this trying to I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, I'm having more shots into your rose. We just need face to face. You can pick the time and the place. Spend some time away. Now you need to forward, give me all
Imagine nilikuwa nadhani ana joke. Oh, so cute. Green.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm the
on a paper plane. I'm the one.
OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Shot that on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. With the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip so long I can lean on it. My niggas like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a man, beat the charge. Check down, they watch a if a nigga.
Guys, we are going to the rooftop. Here we are. Oh my god, it's sunset time. The sun is setting. Sasa wamejaza manguo hapa mpaka wapi jamani? Napenda kwa huko mwisho. Let's go under the clothes. Yeah. Hi guys. The sun is shining. It's shining so bright. It's sunset. I've eaten such a nice meal and I've just come to chill now. Watoto wananifuata. I'm gonna beat these children. Mimi sifanyangi hiyo kitu ya watoi, by the way. Do they think I can play with them? Guys, it's 1st of June and it's my birthday month. I don't want to risk placing my tripod there. Let me place it up actually. Sasa wanacheza na nani? Can I really, at my age, naweza kuwa nikicheza na wao? Wow! Karibu muone Dubai, guys. So this is me. Niko rooftop. So I'm just wearing, stop it. Fuck this clothes. Let me place it here where you can like see what I'm wearing. Just hey, hiyo leso inataka aje na mimi. So I'm wearing this tiny dress, just this tiny dress that I came to chill with hapa rooftop. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna go back to the house. But guys, the sun is so beautiful. It was raining. It has been raining like the whole day. This whole place looks like a mess. Like it's so messy. But yeah, niko rooftop just chilling. Then I go back in the house. Today is a holiday. I didn't know today is a holiday. There was something I was supposed to go and do at school. Karibu niende, and it's a holiday. And you know the way when it's a holiday everywhere, like they don't operate on that day. So I'll go tomorrow. But for now, I have a bag in my eye. Yo. So there was something I was supposed to go and do at school, and then I remembered today is a holiday, and you know the way during holidays they don't operate, like everywhere is usually closed. So I'll go tomorrow because tomorrow is the end of the week. And yeah, I think I'll just end this vlog tomorrow so that I can start a new one. It's June, it's 1st of June, and it's my birthday month. I'm really excited, and yeah guys, I'm turning a big age and I need to just embrace it because I'm not growing any younger, I'm just growing old. Yeah, people are just staring at me, but guys, I'm just living my life. Miss Jali, people should mind their businesses. Yeah, if you see people chilling on rooftop, just mind your own business. So yeah, my camera is saying it's full. Let me just chill hapa rooftop and then I'll go back in the house. Yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, I'm at my Mian's house. My Mian's house with Sharon. Hi Sharon. Hi. So I want to take you guys to the kitchen. I want to show you what we are cooking today. I did not carry my tripod because I didn't know kutakuwa na hizi plants zote, but yeah. So I don't know where to place you guys. Oh, wait. I really wish ningebeba tripod yangu. But yeah, we are cooking. Let me show you what you're cooking. So he has gone out to bring drinks for the girlies. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday. Naniko sober. I'm so happy, guys. You don't know. Someone is cooking for us tonight. It's going to be a good night, guys. It's about to go down. So we have chicken drumsticks. Okay, we have red pepper, yellow pepper. Shut up. Green pepper, onions, and garlic. What else? So yeah, we are going to cook. Let me show you guys my outfit. That's my outfit for the kitchen. We have chicken. Isn't it drumsticks? Exclusive for the girls. So we have the, you know, non-stick pans, guys. Tupande bay. Sharon, get out. Oh my god. Yeah, so tunakula sembe. We have my spices there. We have, baby, we're just from the supermarket. I'm actually vlogging. I'm not even joking. No, it's not a joke. I'm very serious, by the way. Even too excited for my birthday. Yeah.
I'm too excited. Me too. I'm excited for your birthday.
Yes, girl. So Izin is a breakfast. We have muffins. Unajua kitu nataka for my birthday, unafaa uniulize what you want for your birthday.
Arrange.
This year's cheesy. So like this one's range tuko nayo. That's the car we use to go to Naivas.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, me.
My man could never.
My man?
Your man?
Hey.
That's your man.
Let me tell you. So guys, we are cooking. We're just gonna cook. I'll show you the end result of our food because I need to clear storage.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe.